wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best backflow preventers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Homewerks VAC BFP-Z4B has a break-off screw that allows you to attach it permanently if so desired. Just don't stand next to the hose when you turn it off, because it releases all the water it's holding back at that time, and it doesn't care if you're in the way. It can prevent your hose from bursting, however it doesn't work well with timers, and the rubber gasket warps easily. At number 9, if you use a hose to irrigate your garden or lawn, the Drip Depot Hendrickson DG41 is worthy of your consideration. It's also a smart choice for RV owners, as it can keep your black water from mixing with the clear stuff while you're cleaning out the tank. It's made of high-strength ABS plastic and also keeps air out of the hose, but it tends to leak frequently. Coming in at number 8 in our list. If you have a drip irrigation system in the backyard, the Rainbird HT075BFFS can keep everything clean and flowing freely. It's inexpensive and connects to a male threaded faucet or hose, so you should be able to fit in with just about anything you have set up. It comes with a stainless steel mesh filter and is made of UV-resistant materials. However, it does limit the water pressure. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for backflow preventers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, you can access the check and relief valve separately on the Zurn Wilkins 2-975XL2, so if anything ever goes wrong, you won't have to curse too much while making repairs. That can save you both time and money, especially if you're having to pay someone else to do it. This one's low lead law compliant and equipped with a pressure differential valve. It offers high corrosion resistance. Moving up our list to number 6. The Mueller B&K 108-904RP is a permanent installation that can protect your water supply for years to come. If you need to take it off though, you'll have to cut off the ends of the pipe that it's attached to, so be sure you really want it prior to putting it on. It's not prone to leaking and is a good budget option. However, it sprays wildly upon activation. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Cash Acme V101 can handle temperatures of up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, enabling you to use it on your spa or hot water heater without fear of it melting on you. It can stand up to higher pressures as well, ensuring you won't have to worry about it shaking as it struggles to cope. This one's good for black tanks and is both well built and durable, but it doesn't have a check valve. At number 4, screw the Plumbcraft Waxman 703-000N onto the end of your garden hose to prevent any mud, dirt and debris from sneaking back inside your home's water supply. It also functions well when paired with submersible pumps, provided you don't put it in the sump. It works well in older houses and won't restrict your water flow. It handles up to 120 psi. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The Watts 63190 has a brass body that houses stainless steel internal parts. Beyond that, there's also an integral strainer and dual rubber check valves that seal tightly, ensuring that liquids can definitely only travel in one direction. This one's suitable for continuous pressure and comes with a riveted aluminum ID plate. It's ideal for boilers. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for backflow preventers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you have a line in an area where a significant health hazard exists and lead-free pipes are a necessity, the Zurn Wilkins 34-975XL2 should be on your shortlist. It's built in a Y pattern that minimizes its lay length, making it easier to fit into your fixtures. This one's easy to install, and the design is convenient for servicing. It's suitable for potable water. And taking the top spot on our list. Any drip irrigation system needs the Habitech adapter kit. It doesn't just prevent backflow, but also acts as a filter and pressure regulator, so your plants won't be washed away or blasted with silt. It won't waste your water either, as it's not prone to leaks. It's equipped with well-designed connectors and keeps the pressure at 25 psi. It comes pre-assembled. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for backflow preventers, or simply click beneath this video.